This presentation is about current and charge. In this lesson, what we are to learn is how to apply the relationship charge equals current times time to new situations or to solve related problems. Let us recall that current is a measure of how fast charge are flowing. And last time we have this definition that current is the amount of charge. So the amount of charge, so that one divided by a given time interval. Okay? Charge per time. Given an electric current, the charge accumulated over time can be computed. So gikan sa imuhang I was delta Q over delta T, you just multiply all of them by delta T, makancel ni siya, pero naay delta T mabilin sa pikas. So that is why we have this. Okay? So now, let us clarify what you mean with our circuit components nga makita sa diagram. So katong nakita na to last time na ay battery, then na ay resistor, ang pasabot ana is like this. So na ay battery, murag isa lang siya ang nakakonect, but actually in our wires duha na siya kabuok nagpares. Ang direction sa imong kurente sa pikas, conventional current, is going to this direction kay from higher to lower potential. So ang pikas ng nga direction is paingon sa negative. So ang current mo moagi din ha, then mulabay sa filament, then na ay connection sa ilalom separated by an insulator. So kana silang duha, wala na sila nag-abot. So just like this. Kining duha ka side, wala na siya nag-abot. Okay? It has to flow through this resistor. Okay. Sample problem number 1. How much charge is accumulated sa metallic sphere of this Venn diagram generator if it is powered by a 2 ampere current source for 1 minute? In problems like this, the simple thing that you need to do is identify the given. Sometimes even if you don't understand the problem, as long as you can identify unsa na siya nga mga quantities, you can solve the problem. Why? Look at this. Nakita taog 2 amperes. So this is a current and the other is 1 minute. That is time. Simply plug in the current for that I, time for that delta T. But the thing is, 1 minute man siya. So we need to put this unit into our SI units, which is seconds. How many seconds in 1 minute? So there are 60 seconds. Now, what we mean by ampere is coulomb per second, di ba, sa definition? Therefore, cancel ng second na dayon ang mabilin ng sana ng coulomb. That is why. How many electrons are there? As a follow-up question. So, di ba, ang atong concern is how much is the charge, how many coulombs, not the number of charge. But if we are to answer the question, how many electrons are there? So it's like this. So computonin mo kung pila ka coulombs, and per coulomb na ay sa isa ka coulomb na charge na ay 6.24 billion electrons to the 18. So billion. Grabe kadaghan, no? So inani ang answer. So 7.49 times 10 to the 20 electrons. Let us go to the next problem. In problem number 2, this is another application sa charge nga nakikurente, then makakuan ka charge. So in this is inside a photocopying machine. In a photocopying machine, first stage is i-charge sa niyang drum. Pag charge niya sa drum, so nahimong positive image, positive image nga napilit dito sa drum. So gipurma niya, ang nanay design na siya. Then in the third stage, ang nahitabo is toner ma-attract siya, kina-charge naman dito siya ma-attract. Okay? And in the fourth stage, sa pagka-attract na dito, imo din yung iya din paagian ni siya og papel para ang katong na-attract na milit nila nga toner din to mo pilit sa imuhang paper. So in this problem number 2, it's simply like this. So gi-charge daw ang drum by 200 coulombs. So how much time is needed para ma-charge sa gingon ani given that the source is 110 amperes? So it goes like this. So gikan sa to ang main nga equation, delta Q equals I times T. Notice, na coulomb, so charge ni siya. So given ang charge, given ang current, ang gipangita kay delta T. How are we going to do that? So simply, so to segregate nga delta T na lang mabilin din, divide all of them by I. So delta Q over I, so divide po naman yung I delta T over I. So divide both sides by I, makancel ni siya. Ang nabili na lang is delta T. So delta T is equal to delta Q over I. Plug in the values and then you get the answer. That's all.